wants to lose some weight, be more active, or just be super fit and healthy, but gets easily discouraged by the thought of working out, exercising, or just going on long, tiring walks. Well, what if I told you that there was a way, even many ways, of getting your bodies moving without dreading it, and maybe even having fun? We all know that exercise is important for our bodies and our minds. It's how we live a happy and healthy life. But it shouldn't feel like punishment. So let's jump right into it with the first way that I'd like to share with you today. Number 1, find your center with mindful movement. There are many ways of exercising, and mindful movement is all about connection and control. If you don't like intense workouts, that's okay. Try some mindful exercising like yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi. Yoga builds incredible lean strength, flexibility, and teaches you the invaluable skill of breathing through discomfort. Pilates is your secret for a powerhouse core, better posture, and long, strong muscles. And for profound calm and balance, I highly recommend Tai Chi. Its slow, flowing movements are often called meditation in motion. It dramatically improves balance, coordination, and focus, making it perfect for reducing stress and for anyone looking for a gentle yet powerful practice. This category proves that a powerful workout doesn't have to mean a high heart rate. Number 2, dance it out. If you're looking for a more energetic and upbeat way of exercising, you can just dance. This is where fitness meets pure joy. You don't have to be a good dancer, you just have to move. So crank up your favorite playlist in your living room and let go. Beyond burning serious calories and flooding your brain with happy chemicals like endorphins, dance has hidden benefits. It sharpens your coordination and concentration because you're learning rhythms and sequences. But maybe my favorite part, it's a powerful confidence booster. Moving to music can make you feel more in tune with your body, more sensual, and yes, even sexier. It's not just a workout, it's an expression. Try a structured Zumba class or just freestyle for 20 minutes. You'll work your entire body and lift your spirit at the same time. Number 3, make a splash with swimming. If you have access to a pool, you have a secret weapon. Swimming is the ultimate full-body, low-impact workout. The water supports your joints, making it perfect for anyone with pain or for active recovery. But the resistance builds lean strength in your arms, core, and legs. For your main workout, a comfortably warm pool is best. It keeps muscles flexible. But here's the next level tip. If you can, try contrast therapy afterward. That's alternating between a hot sauna or steam room and a cool plunge or shower. This hot-cold cycle dramatically boosts circulation, speeds up muscle recovery, and research suggests it's like a training session for your nervous system, teaching your body to handle stress better. And get this, the cold plunge part isn't just for your muscles. That sharp cold shock triggers your brain to release a powerful protein that acts like fertilizer for your mind, encouraging the growth of new brain cells, and it floods your system with alertness-boosting chemicals. So you're not just recovering your body, you're literally invigorating your mind. Think of it as the ultimate rewarding recovery after you move. Number 4, find your focus with martial arts. This is for anyone who wants to build strength that goes beyond the physical. Martial arts like karate, kickboxing, or Brazilian jiu-jitsu all teach discipline, control, and powerful situational awareness. The focused practice makes an hour fly by, but one of its greatest gifts is emotional release. Hitting pads or a heavy bag is an incredible healthy way to channel frustration, stress, or anger. You leave a session not just physically worked, but mentally cleared and empowered. Plus, let's be real, it's always useful to know how to defend yourself. The confidence and skills you learn can genuinely serve you in real life. Most dojos offer a free introductory class. Go with an open mind. You might just discover a new version of yourself that's calmer, more confident, and incredibly strong. Number 5, explore the great outdoors. Never underestimate the power of nature. Hiking, trail walking, or even just a brisk walk in the park is a workout for your body and therapy for your mind. Studies call it green exercise, and it's proven to lower stress hormones like cortisol more effectively than indoor workouts. The uneven terrain engages stabilizing muscles you don't use on a flat treadmill. To make it fun, maybe turn it into an adventure. Find a new path, bring your dog for enthusiastic company, or make it a social walk and talk with a friend. I promise you, the fresh air and change of scenery will make the distance disappear. Number 6, the joy of riding a bike. Rediscover the simple thrill and freedom of a bike ride. This is cardio that feels like exploration. Don't just ride aimlessly, give yourself a fun mission. Bike to your favorite coffee shop, to a beautiful viewpoint, or challenge yourself to complete 3 loops around your local park, trying to beat your time each round. This sense of purpose turns exercise into an adventure. It's eco-friendly, easy on your joints, and great for your heart and legs. You get a workout, some sunshine, and a genuine mood lift from that childlike sense of speed and freedom. Number 7, surround yourself with team sports and social activities. The power of playing is real. Joining a recreational league for soccer, basketball, or volleyball makes fitness social and fun. The team camaraderie and friendly competition are such strong motivators. You show up for your friends as much as for yourself. For our wonderful older viewers, look specifically into adapted sports like walking, pickleball, frisbee golf, or senior softball leagues. They're designed to be low impact, social, and incredibly fun. And let's not forget timeless activities like bowling. It involves walking, lifting, stretching, and precision, a legitimate way to stay active, share laughs, and connect with others in a relaxed, joyful setting. Number 8, turn your chores into a challenge. Your daily to-do list can be your sneakiest workout. Here's how. Put on a high-energy playlist, set a timer for 25 minutes, and attack your chores with intention and vigor. Squat to pick up items, lunge while vacuuming. Use big dynamic motions while dusting high and low, and dance while you fold laundry. You'll be amazed at how your heart rate climbs. This is called functional fitness. You're training movements you use in real life, and you get the bonus of a clean, organized space. It's efficient, effective, and oddly satisfying. Number 9, try Exergaming or fitness gaming. If you love video games, this is your perfect gateway to fitness. Games like Nintendo Sports, Just Dance, or immersive VR fitness programs turn exercise into play. You're squatting to defeat monsters, slashing targets to the beat of music, or following a trainer in a virtual world. The game provides constant goals, feedback, and rewards, which completely distracts your brain from the effort. You're focused on winning, not on counting reps, so you can play for an hour and get a full body workout without a single moment of boredom. Number 10, the classic and social walk and talk. Never ever underestimate the mighty walk. It's the most accessible and underrated tool we have. So the next time a friend or family member wants to catch up, suggest a walk and talk instead of sitting. And don't just think of a park, make an outing of it. Going shopping with a friend for a whole afternoon, walking around 2 or 3 stories in a mall, or exploring an outdoor shopping strip is a fantastic way to get your steps in. You get steps, fresh air, sunlight for vitamin D, and meaningful connection, all at once. The side-by-side conversation often flows more openly, and you can easily rack up 45 to 60 minutes of gentle, steady cardio. It's exercise, mental health care, and relationship building rolled into one simple, beautiful habit. So there you have it, your full toolkit of 10 ways to move your body where the work disappears and the fun takes over. Let me know in the comments which one you want to try. And if this video gave you a new perspective on fitness, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple ways to build a happier and healthier life. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. Available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.